Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. An extra video for you this week. This is an incredible unboxing from Lia Dia Designs. Now, many of you will know Lia Dia Designs, but also you would have seen me use her products in previous videos. And oh my goodness, if you remember the hummingbirds and that large circle acrylic blank that I did with the hummingbirds and the flowers, they all came from Lia Dia Designs. Actually, she asked me if she could send me a couple more pieces and I was like, absolutely, come on now, your work is incredible. I was not expecting a box this packed. Like, I was sent so many incredible pieces, and the exciting thing is that a lot of Lia Dia Designs acrylic blanks now come with clear backers. So there's no tape required. They simply have a clear layer of acrylic glued to the back of the actual shape, which is incredible. You just have to peel away all of the brown protective paper and you are ready to go. First up, we've got Nibbles the squirrel. I'm sorry, how adorable is Nibbles? Again, no tape required. They've already got backers on them, which I just think is genius. Next up, we've got this little guy, super cute little bat. But he's not a standalone item. I'm going to talk more in the video about the genius inventions that Lia Dia Designs is now putting out there. Next up, we've got the spider. Super spooky. Like, I'm sorry if you don't like spiders. I know a few of my lovelies here are not spider fans. This one is beautiful. We have a whole family of cacti, individual little cacti that would make beautiful decorations either in the window. You could make them stained glass, or you could add them to a larger piece if you wanted to, a large tray. You could simply just crack off that loop at the top, so you don't need it. But yes, I also got really cute. I don't know if this comes in every package, so don't hire your expectations. But Lia Dia Designs sent me a beautiful little bag of lots of little shapes and pieces and decals to use as well, which I think is kind of clever. I'm guessing they're cut out from the excess acrylic. Now, guys, let's talk about the wreaths. Lia Dia Designs, on the website, there is a whole selection of wreaths, and I chose pumpkin. She did ask me, what do you want for the center of this one, of this autumn wreath? I said, oh, I'll have a pumpkin, please. You can actually hang your central focal point from the center. Again, all clear backed. This one's got the acorns, the oak leaves, and the pumpkin in the middle. But if you didn't want a pumpkin in the center, you can change it out for other things, which is such a cool invention. Next up, we've got the Halloween wreath. Now that is where little Mr. Bat comes in, because right now I've got Happy Halloween in the center. I've got the ghosts and the ghouls and the oak leaves, got little cat witch at the top and pumpkins at the bottom. So beautiful. Again, this is all kind of protected with a paper backing, so you do need to peel that off when you start. Right now I've got Happy Halloween in the center, but actually, I could swap that out if I wanted to for the little bat. And there's 3 choices as well, so you don't have to just stick to one. Next up, we've got this Christmas centerpiece. This would be for a Christmas wreath, or simply hang it on the tree. Equally, you could swap it out. Now, again, you can change the centers of the wreath designs. You choose your designs on the website. Now, here is a quick look. We've got Happy Halloween. We've got the spider or the bat, which are interchangeable, so you can pretty much pick your own center. And as you scroll through the website, it's not just about these wreaths. There are hundreds of designs on here, so many acrylic blanks to choose from. And you would have seen, like I said in previous videos, where I used the hummingbirds. They are here, the hummingbirds. They're further down on the website. But this is an idea of what the autumn wreath looks like. You get a choice of mushrooms, the little squirrel. So that's not the giant squirrel you would have seen, but a smaller squirrel, and the pumpkin in the center. You can just pick. There's a drop down menu where you get to pick what center you would like for your wreath, and that goes through the Halloween one as well. And I just think it's such a clever idea, because then you've got so much more choice of what you're actually creating. But honestly, I had a proper good look. I had such a good look through the website. I kind of fell in love with a coffee cup. I'll show you that in a second. But these are the mini cacti. So again, you've got different sizes as well, which I think is so helpful, and teeny tiny little ghosties. And these here, the coffee cups, top left, how adorable are they? Got mushrooms, pumpkins, all of the things. So again, this is everything that was sent to me from Lia Dia Designs. I'm not an affiliate. I do not earn money if you decide to go ahead and purchase these. I will leave a link for Lia Dia Designs down below. I cannot wait to start using these. Thank you so much for sending these over. They're stunning. Guys, if you want to hit up Lia Dia Designs for your acrylic blanks, details are below. See you next time.